Hi guys, this is my channel Wise Man, and you can find it on YouTube. And please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and which are going to be helpful to you. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you use EndNote to add references in Word in a most easy way. So previously I showed 2 or 3 ways, but which are very difficult to use. And if you didn't find a paper, so in the EndNote sometimes it happens that you can't find the paper. So how can you use Google Scholar with the help of EndNote, and you can use it to get any references. So suppose, so I'm going to open my work, and what I'm going to do, so I have to add here like this reference which I've already added. So this is a reference, and this is the paper which I want to add it. So what I did, when I search this paper in EndNote, so what happened, like I can't find this paper. So if I go to EndNote by clicking this, and this is EndNote file, and if I go here and if I search like from not this one, like from this Web of Science, if I paste it, if I go for search, it will not give any result. If I remove like this sentence, these words, and if I again search it, it will not give any reference. So I try to all this library, but I can't find any references. So what I did, what you can do, if you can't find any reference in the EndNote, you have to copy that one and go to the Google Scholar. You have to search here and you will surely get all the papers. So here, as you see this option site, here you have to get this EndNote file for this reference only. So I have already downloaded it, and so now it's Scholar 2. So you have to go there, or either you can, what you can do, going here, so in folder, so here you can import it directly. Let me open it again. Downloads. Let me close this EndNote, and again I will open it. So it shows now. So you have to close it and just open that file. So now it is here. So this is the reference which I have in my EndNote file. So if I have to add this reference at some particular point like here, what you have to do, so just make a cursor here and click on this one by selecting that reference, and here there is like this one, insert citation. So if you click on this one, it will get directly added here. So in this way you can edit the reference, you can add the reference directly without anything, without just download the EndNote file from the Google Scholar and edit. If you can't find any EndNote, if you can't find that reference in EndNote, so that's the easy method, which is the very convenient and easy way to add the references in Word. Nothing to do. So if you have watched my previous video, I will say use this one. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it. Have a good day.